So hello everyone, welcome on this stream. So we are trading gold. I am in this long. Here you can see I am in this long for like half an hour, and I am in drawdown of $600 after the two lost trades and simultaneous. Currently my profit is $200 and $290. So I need 300 more dollars to get out of this drawdown and go break even. So we are trading the funded account, and I have been funded with direct funded traded as well. So I'm just waiting for my funded account credentials, and I have breached my Blue Guardian Futures funded account. So that's an unfortunate stuff that I had to go through. So let's just wait and see how the market plays out with this model, and if the market will respect this 100 fair value gap or not. I don't want this to be respected because the market has already completed the down move up for the day, and it should be moving up for the rest of the day. So I believe I will go break even if the market moves all the way up here. And this is time of ACSS and the time of expansion, so I can just expect for the market to just move higher. So here we go. I want a body candle closer above this previous candle's high. So the 100 fair value gap is validated, invalidated, that is bearish one, and then we can rest assured for the market to hit our TP. But right now there is nothing certain, everything is uncertain right now. If we hit TP today, then I will trade on New London session to get some profits and buy a TPT account so I can trade on futures as well. I don't have any more futures accounts anymore. I think I might try to purchase one, but I don't want to purchase any other Blue Guardians account right now. That is why I have switched the overlay back to the previous one. You can still get 25% off with Wealthara funded account, and the profit target on PST accounts are completed as well. I think the market is going to respect our standard fair value gap model. That I really don't want the market to respect at all. I want the market to disrespect this standard fair value gap and when go above. But this is our model, and it rarely fails when it is A plus, and this is A plus model. But I think it should fail because the market has completed the down move already, and if it goes down, then my our profits will be forfeited. I think market will get another thunder fair value gap here for the bull side, but I don't have any other account or any other really. I'm missing a thunder. I'm really missing my Blue Guardian Futures account. I hope the market will just is just going for a liquidity swipe, and then it will go up. I'm just hoping for that. But the amount of precision that it had in the fair value gap inside of this fair value gap, that is insane. I have to admit that we might get this an inversion fair value gap. So let's see what happens, and if the market tries to go up or it will be going down. Okay, so I have not notified my audience, and I'm not notifying my audience for a few times now. Let me check my group if it's everything is okay. Nowadays a lot of spammers are coming in, and there is rarely someone doing something well. So the market has decided to go down, and there's nothing we can do. I was funded on 2nd of April and got my account got blocked on 6th of April. That's a very unfortunate stuff, and I'm in grieving a lot, like really a lot. Let's see if my model goes 1 is to 5 from here. How less, how far it can go. It can go all the way to 1 is to 5. It can go all the way below my entry target. Well, this is an unfortunate scenario that might unfold, but I will wait, and I think this Thunder fair value gap model will fail, but there is no reason that it should fail, so I'm just going to close my position, or say I will go at least I will cover my losses here with stop loss $138 of loss, $138 in losses. Come on, gold, go up. You shouldn't be going down like this. I think the gold will go up for sure. I will place my stop loss below this 15 minutes fair value gap. Let's look at hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, the market is going for an barcode action, and we don't want this barcode action to happen at all. Our target should be at $600. That is here. And I highly doubt what happened. I traced my SL to the $500, $600. Only if we get $600, then our losses will be covered, and we will be back to our break even point on the account, and then only we will be able to make some profits. But for right now, we have seen a liquidity swipe. I think I should apply for a voter card. I don't have a voter card still now. I haven't applied for a voter card till now. बाद में बाद में So I mean, just waiting for this market to go above this high. so we can have market structure shift and we can move further higher. I will also get my DFT funded account phase. So if I am able to get that account, then I will just make on 100 or $500 in profit and leave that account just to complete a 1 month of trading, 1 month of 1 month of payout payout days, so I can get a $500 payout at the end. I don't want to be risky on that account as well. That I have been careless on this account. So let's see how things go. If the things go well or not. Looking on the 15 minutes time frame, the market is respecting the fair value gap. Let's mark out the fair value gap here with just two candles. This is a black. We have last 3 minutes on the horizon of the price chart. Now this is not a good candle closer at all. The market should be closing above in the next on this 3 minutes candle, and if that happens, only then the market will have any upside potential. So the market will just come downside. Now we are waiting for the market to get us into this into this count into. Let me tell you where is my into this fair value gap back and then get above of that. But the scenario is folding like against us. The thunder fair value is being respected for somehow in some reason. Of course, it is a respect. It is my model, and if I was to trade with my model, I would have not blown my account yesterday. I should have waited for the next day, but I was too hungry and too curious to trade that account that I blew it up. Blew it up. So we will be in the next 1 minute candle, which will be the last 50 minutes candle, and I want that candle to close above this 50 minutes high. So let's see how it goes. I think this candle will close below this 15 minutes fair value gap, and that will be bad. And I should be closing that account, but I'm not willing, and I'm not wanting to close this trade right now. Let's see in 15 minutes time frame. This is last 3 seconds. Anything can happen. So it closed uh, inside of the fair value gap, so that can be a bad scenario for the next 15 minutes candle. For me, it will go down. Let's see if that scenario unfolds or not. At least it was also a 100 fair value gap buy from the previous day, or from the previous day, which was already used, but it was used again. So I just took a trade from that 100 fair value gap. I had previously taken a long from this, uh, where is that, from this fair value gap, but it then turned out to be the market just went down and it totally went against me. Then I sorted here, but market didn't come up at that time and it went down. And when the market finally came down, I was already in a long position, and I don't want to lose my whole long position because I want to surpass the at least surpass the break even level. But I will not do the mistake that I did it on the futures account. Should I go break even or should I close this trade? But I don't think that the market will go down any further than this. The best thing I can do is trace the SL to here, not here, like this place. $170 is better than something else. My loss is 160, 138, and 170 is the traced SL, so it should be good to go. And then we will think of the further trades that we will take, and that in this session. I hope I get a big trade on MNQ today because the last day was a disaster on MNQ and oil. Oil is the worst asset to trade right now, but is very, but gives very big moves, and which I can use to get profits very faster. Let's come back at gold and see how it's moving. Our stop loss is traced at 4639, 4639. Here is our stop loss traced, and now let's wait for the market to either take our SL or go to the TP. We are looking for a market structure shift here, and the market is not looking in our favor. Okay, so it took our stop loss. So our stop loss was saved right now by just 1 point, and I'm not moving my stop loss unless I see some signs of bullishness in the market. Unless some signs of bullishness is observed, I am not going to close. Okay, so the bullishness sign has been observed. I have observed the sign of bullishness, so I might trace the SL, but if the sign is bullish, then there is no need to trace the SL at all. It is 30, it should be 48. It was missed by just one tick, or my stop loss would have been taken out. So maybe this becomes a liquidity swipe here. I hope this is a liquidity swipe, so we can have a market structure shift here. Market structure shift here, and this is the fair value gap which is resisting the prices from going higher. The 15 minutes fair value gap which was uh, infiltrated last time. So market is kind of being hesitant to surpass this level, and it is a bad sign for the bullishness. That's why I'm not going to move my stop loss, but I will wait for the market to go above. I think the market will move up from here. We have a very good candle moving to the bull side. That's a bad candle right now. I need to take my breakfast as well. I'm still being afraid of holding on to this trade. I just don't want that I get stopped out with some just little profit when I had that chance to take like $300 there, and I could have taken another trade of $300, and I could have been in the break even. But now, and this was my own model that was uh, telling me to stop the trade, but I did not, and I still want to hold on to this trade, but the situations are saying that I will be stopped out. So now let's see what happens. The gold should have also already been moving up a lot, like really a lot. My target to take payout is just $1,000, nothing more than that. This is a bad candle, and a bad, very bad candle. this would be a bearish day. I don't think so. Market will be bullish. This is the opening price of the day, and we are just playing at the opening price of the day. And I think the market will be bullish today. It will go far beyond anyone can expect. I think the market will be very, very bullish today, and it even might surpass 4,700 level. But for now, that I had observed the market's bullishness, I will trace my SL below there. And here I might have been stepped out if I had not traced my SL. We have 3 more minutes till this fair value gap closes. Let's see if we get above again. Here I would have been stopped out, but on the trading view the market didn't come to the low that I had marked, which was the precise lowest of the. Let's see how the market will perform right now on 5 minutes time frame. Our ITP is quite above the horizon. I hope you can see this. My entry SL and TP all three on the MT5 chart. So bullishness is being kind of delivered on the price chart. That's a good candle. Now we need this MSS. Once we get this MSS, we will have another thunder value gap. Yes, we just need a body candle closer above the marketplace, above the MSS, so we can get another entry. But I don't have any other. Good morning, Sumant. How are you? Welcome on the stream. We need a body candle closer above, and then we will be able to take a trade, another trade entry. But I don't have margins left right here. I am already in a drawdown of, okay, margin, free margin is $400 something. So I won't be able to open any other trades. The body candle close was not observed here. We need a body candle close above this MSS to take an entry, and I will plan an entry for you as well. As soon as we get a body candle close above, and I reached my funded Blue Guardians account. That is one thing I am regretting right now. I don't know if I will get another account, but that is why I have changed the overlay. We are still waiting for a body candle closer above this MSS to get a body candle closer above this MSS. And if that is not happening, then there is no entry setup for longs. That trade can go long. At least we have a market structure shift on 5 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes time frame, we have a market structure shift that is here, so we can expect higher prices today to move quite high. And as this is an ACS session, the ACS session is the session for the expansion. And we have also covered the doji candles previous day. Daily the doji candle week in this price run to the lower side. So I'm expecting a bullish day today. This could very well be an liquidity swipe as well, but I'm still looking for higher prices for some reason. Let's look at crude oil. The crude oil is, if you look on daily time frame, it is going up. I had long the crude oil somewhere here. The crude will drop very fast. One thing is for sure. I had long somewhere here. It took my stop loss and then it is going up. The crude oil is following this trend line. So for trend line traders, this was an heaven trade. It took my penny stop losses of mine. I had this trade from here to here. It was $1,000 up already. If I had closed the trade, my mind was saying to close it, but did not close the trade, and that's why I have paid the price of losing that account. Same as is happening here. My mind is saying hold on to this trade, and if I don't hold on to this trade, I will be blown again too. We are just moving. Come on, gold, come on, move higher, give a market structure shift. I know you want to expand today. Let's see if we have some news today. That is 7th of July. It's stuck on 6th. Tomorrow 7th. We have NZT news, we have some NCT news. We don't have any kind of red folder news, but we do have medium impact news at there. So market can be volatile today. Once we get a market structure shift, then I will give you an entry, and then you will just use that to enter into a trade, and I will just go out of the site from here. I will say this is our entry of outer block. If the market again come back here, take an entry here. Stop loss will be below this candle's low, and exit will be 1 is to 5. So this is our trade. So bye bye for now, and I'm going to take my breakfast and my medicines. Hello, Mr. Clutch. My average SL is $50, around $50 to $60. I was not here. I was out to take my breakfast. It's morning time in India now. Yes, that's why. I hope I have answered your question, and I am going again. I need to be. Bye. I will just join in 5 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes, I trade daily. The Asia session, then the London session, and then NY session. Yes, daily live. You can check my live section. I trade daily live. Yesterday I was not able to trade on. Yesterday I was not able to trade on London session because I had to go to my college, and I also blew my funded account yesterday. Funded Blue Guardian futures account, and that's why I was so what I say very fucked up and very mm, I don't have the words for in English. Sorry for that, and I was very stressed out. Like so, I stopped the stream very early yesterday during the New York session. But we will trade normally today. So be ready during the London session at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. Eastern timing. You can also take this trade. The SL will go all the way below. Well, by the way, this is a Thunder FBG as well. And I will just join back in 5 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. Well, I am back now. Thank you, Mr. Clutch Gaming, for the compliment. And I think I join your live stream from incoming days. Okay, you are welcome to join my live stream. I will be streaming the SES session. You can join the Discord server from the link in the descriptions, and then We will get the live updates when I come online. Stream. I will stream. Well, this is the entry. So if you haven't entered, you can enter again. This is 1 is to 5 trade. Entry SLNTP is marked here. So good luck with your trade, and I will be streaming for 1 more hour. Well. I think we have our entry again. For the those who haven't entered, the market has coming to touch down the opening price of the day, and it is the SES session. So you can expect the market to expand a lot higher. That's why my TP on this trade is too high. Actually, I mean break. Actually, I mean like very bad drawdown. So this trade will take me out of the drawdown, so I can make some profits. And the leverage is quite low on this account, so that's why am having to take such a big trade to get out of the uh, drawdown. Well, there is Trump emergency address turns everyone. There is some speech going with Trump. I don't know if it's really live or just a telecast of live. But if the news is bad against Iran, then we can expect a high volatility market during the SES session as well. I think this will go up to all the way to London session. Let's move it for 1 hour. So this is just swing trading right now. Market is going quite well in our direction, and I'm just waiting for a time when it will be right to do a webcam as well. A webcam like a really good webcam, a good setup for trading. I don't have them yet, but as soon I will have them. I wish I had not blown the breached my funded account on Blue Guardian Futures. But the good news is I still have this funded account which I should be trading well and properly. Let's see if I'm able to take at least 100 or $200 in payouts so I can buy a TPT account so I can take daily payouts. Well, my goal is to take like 500 or $1,000 of payout from this account, but uh, in the next coming days. But right now I'm in drawdown, a very big drawdown. So we have tapped the standard fair value gap again, and we can expect some impulsive moves from now on. I hope this gives the impulsive move to the high side. This is 4682, right? 4694. This is 12 of 4682. This is where our target is. So this is 1 is to 7 trade, and this is 1 is to 5 trade. It will take 4 hours to get my like funded account on DFT. My goal with DFT is $500 only, not much more than that. Let me lock this so I can zoom into this. Okay, so we have touched the 100 fair value gap again, and we are moving up now. We are aiming for 1 is to 5 trade. Usual loggers be sent to back, not I don't want to send it to back. So we are aiming for 210 pips against 44.71, 40.7 pips. So we have a wise stop loss and take profit on this trade as well. Well, I am not stuck in this trade. I'm in the previous trade. This trade is for my viewers, but I will say you have to take the trade on your own risk management and your own risk. I'm not responsible for any losses or profits that you might take with this trade. We are in consolidation right now. Let's look at 5 minutes time frame. The 5 minutes time frame looks good and very bullish as well. We have this fair value gap to surpass, and then we have a clear sky of what I say liquidities to go above, but our biggest rival is here, like this order block, which push the prices lower, so much lower during the opening and during the time I had set to take the trades. I will just come back. So I mean, so just wait, watch, and chill. We are moving lower with trade that I have given you, but I hope you are in proper risk management to manage this trade. I expect you to be in a proper risk management, at least taking not more than 0.5% on stop losses and and 2.5 in profits. That's all that I expect from you. Right now we are going against things are going against our trade. Let's see if this order block is able to hold the prices higher or not. And 5 minutes time frame it appears that the market is getting a triangle. Let's see this Iran news from is Trump live right now? I am the only person live right now. In trading. I hope this gives something in return. I hope I'm able to change my life at least in a bad situation I am right now. I am living on medicines. A girl can do a lot in your life, so be aware of you make any girl so special in your life apart from your mother. Not even sisters apart from your mother. Don't make anyone special like not anyone. Not anyone. It's not anyone. Everyone will just see you as a competition, except your mother. So don't make any other girl special in your life. No one's going to think better for you apart from your mother. Not even your brothers and sisters. Girls out of your family are some other matter. Well, I will close the stream in just 40 minutes, and I will prepare for the London session then. So I hope you are in profits and this trade. Just I hope you are in a proper risk management on a 10K account, that is $50 in stop losses. I have covered my today's losses and I am in $100 of profit after the losses. So I might close this trade or let this continue until my TP is hit. I'm just aiming for $1,000 in payouts with this account. Just $1,000. Think more than that. And I hope I'm able to take that. And I need your support, prayers, and blessings. So please pray for me. Lord bless me. Buddha bless me. And let me have this payout. We might catch some speed right now. We have surpassed the macro time frame, and during the macro time frame, market did nothing, literally nothing. We have closed the 5 minutes candle bullish, so that's a good indication. And now let's see how the next 5-minute candle prints on the price chart. I'm hoping for another bullish candle. The leverage is lower than funded account, I think, and that is why the market I'm having to do such a big TP to just to get $600 in profit. But I can trade crude oil from now on, and that would be nice. for me, and losing that funded account on Blue Garden Futures is the biggest shock that I am going through right now. Losing a Blue Guardian Futures account on a funded stage is too bad. I can't even reset the account because they don't allow resetting. Make sure to join the Discord server if you want to be part and know the if you want to be part of the future giveaways and know the upcoming events like giveaways in advance and live streams when I come live. Market is looking quite good in our favor right now, but we cannot say anything because the market has totally lost the volume. The volume might return during the London session, and we might get an Asia high or London high above these openings of the opening prices. Right now, the market is in consolidation. It is being suppressed, so a big candle can be expected in the upside because because the model says the market will go to the upside. That's why I'm saying a big candle can be observed moving to the upside. Let's look at Nasdaq 100. The Nasdaq 100 has been expanding lower from the morning high. I think I can remove this. It has no significance anymore. And this is the new end of. We had this breaker, and this market is going above with breaker. We had this balanced price range. Now the price range is not valid. This was the closed fair value gap. The Dixie has very big downside potential if it only if it wants to come down, and if the Dixie decides to come down, then gold will shoot up surely and steadily. We have covered the halfway to our take profit when we are just halfway to our TP. So it is like 1:1 trade right now. My brain hurts thinking that I believe the future second. My brain hurts a lot. I can't express the grief I am going through. Oof. This is a very, 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 very big grief that I am going through. Comparison is the thief of joy, and it is totally right. It is totally, totally right that comparison is the thief of joy. I mean, thief of joy. Too much of consolidation, jitter volatility, no volume, like dead market. And then suddenly a move will come that will shock everyone, including me. Do you think you will leave India after you become capable to leave? Maybe I will leave India after I become capable to leave and live somewhere else. I might go to Bali. Bali is a quite good and good place. I think the Bali is kind of has Indian culture and has good peoples. I'm getting sleepy right now because of the medicines that I take. So I think I will close the stream now and go to sleep. Bye bye. Take care and have a nice day.